In this part, we are going to create an application which is going to send the data from one activity to another activity. So I'm going to type the apple here, and it is going to send this apple string to the another activity whenever I click this button. And there we see the apple is presented in the second activity. And this is our application. In order to save the time, I have already added these two widgets, edit text and button. I assume that you already know how to set up these two widgets in our application. Okay, so whenever I click this button, it should send the data entered in this edit text to the second activity. So let's just quickly create the another activity. So next, let's have a class and second activity. At next, it is going to extend the app compact activity, and we need to override the on create method. Just hit tab, and there you go. So we need to set the layout. It is going to be r.layout second activity, and it is going to show error because we have not created our second activity layout yet. So we are going to create now. It is going to be relative layout, and hit next, and this is our layout of the second activity.xml file. And in here I want to drag a text view, and let me increase its size to 30 sp let it be 40 sp, and we are going to show the data present in this edit text whenever the button is clicked in this text view. Okay, now we need to go to the main activity.java class and reference these two widgets, edit view and this button. So I'm going to the main activity.java class, and I need to create the object of button and object of edit text like this, edit text, and I need to link this to widgets into my XML file. So button equals to find a view by id r.id dot, it is going to be button, and I need to typecast it, and for the edit text equals to find view by id r.id dot edit text, and I also need to typecast this. So whenever this button is clicked, I need to do something. So button dot set on click listener, and it is going to be on set on click listener, and we need to override this on click method here. Now first of all I need to get the string, so let it be fruit name, which is going to come from this edit text, right? So it is going to be edit text dot get text, and then I need to change into the string. Now I need to create the intent object and new intent, and I need to go from main activity class to second activity class. So I can do this by main activity dot this and second activity dot class. So, and before starting this intent I need to set this value, right? So for this I need to create the another object called bundle, and it is going to be new bundle, and now we have to attach this fruit name to this bundle. So we can attach this fruit name by this dot put string, and it asks for the key, so it can be anything. So let it be any key for now, and we need to put this string, that is fruit name. So we have put this fruit name to this bundle. Now we have to put this bundle to this intent, and we can do it like intent dot put extras, and it asks for the bundle parameter, right? And here we already have created this bundle. finally we need to start this activity. Start activity by intent, right? So as of now, what we have to do is that we have entered the value in this edit text and we have send it to activity.java file, right? And in here, in the second activity, all we need to do is that we need to get that intent object, right? So for this we need to create the bundle, and it's going to be new, and it's going to be get intent and then get extra. So it is going to get the bundle, and we need to get the string that we have sent it, right? So string get fruit name, and it is going to be bundle dot get string, and we need to specify the key here, and that key is going to be this key that we have mentioned in our main activity.java file. So let it be here, and now we have successfully get this string, and this string is going to be displayed in the text view, right? So in this text view, so we need to get this text view as well, and its ID is text view. So we need to go to the section activity and create the object of text view like this, and now we need to show it text view dot set text and this string here, right? And now the last thing that we need to do is that we need to register this second activity.java file in our Android manifest, otherwise it is going to be crashed. So this is going to be like this, and we need to make it as default and hit run. And here is our application. So let me type Apple and hit send this name to the second activity button. Oops, it is going to crash. So let's see the error in our logcat. So it says attempt to invoke virtual method this. So let me go to this, and oops, here is a sweet mistake. So first of all I need to link this text view with my XML, right? So r.id dot text view, and I'll press enter, and let's run it again. And there we go. So let me type Apple once again and send this name to the second activity button, and it is going to show that Apple here, right? So this is how you can pass the data between the intent with the help of the bundle object. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next part.